Article 13, mitigating circumstances. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter, when all the requisites necessary to justify or to exempt from criminal liability the respective are not attendant. The offender is under 18 of age, over 70 years. In the case of the minor, he shall be proceeded against in accordance with the provisions of Article 80, that the offender had no intention to commit so grave the wrong that committed. The sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately preceded that the act was committed in the immediate vindication of a grave to the one committing the felony, his ascendants, spouse, relatively affinity within the same degrees, that having acted upon an impulse so powerful as naturally to have produced passion or obfuscation, that the offender had voluntarily surrendered in authority or his agents, that he had voluntarily confessed the guilt before the court prior to the presentation of the evidence to the prosecution, that the offender is dumb, blind, and or deaf, otherwise suffering some physical, which thus restrict his means, defense, or communication with his fellow begins. Illness of the offender, as would diminish the exercise of the power of the offender without however depriving of the consciousness of acts. And finally, the other circumstances of similar similar nature, analogs to those above. To those above.